Hey guys, and welcome to the second devblog for a game I'm calling Throne of Tribes. This week's main focus was creating a new terrain, as well as overworking the whole sword system. Which actually brings us to Sunday. I didn't really like the old look of the map, so I actually made a new terrain, and I definitely think that this one looks much better than the other one. And the day was now Monday. Monday's focus was on implementing an animation whenever the player hit something, before you would immediately go back to your idle position, which made it so that you can very quickly attack. And the day is now Tuesday. I wanted to continue progress on the previous animation and get a hurt animation whenever the player was hit. If you look at the first person animation, you could see that he jumps whenever he gets hit. And as for the third person animation, you could see that the player actually throws his hands up, which means that he got hit. I wanted to implement some more detail into the game, so I created different foliage for the game. I think it really improved the look. Now, Thursday was actually the next day that I worked on it, and for Thursday, I made a water shader. Special thanks to Tom Wyland, he helped me a lot along the way, and his channel will be in the description. And the next day I started working on it was Saturday. And since I had a lot of time, I wanted to actually put a decent amount of work into it. So I programmed it whenever the player gets hit, the health bar actually takes damage. And as soon as the damage goes below 0, he'll respawn at a respawn point. On death, his values get reset, so if you have 0 health, it'll go back up to the normal 100. The last thing that I did was implement a nicer menu into the game. Special thanks to Jovis, whose channel is below, for creating me these icons. They look extremely good. And that was actually all the progress that I made this week. If you're interested in future devblogs or tutorials, make sure to check my channel. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to let me know in the comments below.